How to do a sake bomb. Drinking a sake bomb may be a little messy, but it sure is a lot of fun. Follow these steps to become a sake bomb aficionado in no time. Instructions. Step 1. Position your hands on either side of the beer glass and bang the table sharply to make the shot glass fall into the beer. Quick tip: coordinate with your pals for even more fun. Have each person prepare their drink, count to 3, and then bang on the table simultaneously. Step 2. Drink the sake bomb quickly to capture the fizz. Did you know? Sake has an alcohol content of 13 to 16%. Quick tip: make sure the chopsticks are far enough apart so that the shot glass can fall easily. Step 3. Place the shot of sake on top of the chopsticks. Step 4. Fill the beer glass halfway with beer. Step 5. Fill the shot glass with sake. Step 6. Place 2 chopsticks about an inch apart across the top of the beer glass. Warning: don't drink unless you're of legal age. Drink responsibly, and never drink and drive.